What does exterior building cleaning cost? What factors impact your quote? Well, there's the big four. The big four. Access, substrate, cleaning method, contaminant. Access. What access are we going to need to be able safely to clean your building? Rule of thumb, obviously, the higher the building, the more this is likely to have a bigger impact on your quote. Is it a low enough building? Can we work from a water-fed pole? Can we work from a scaffold tower? Do we need a MEWP, mobile elevated working platform? That's a cherry picker to you and me. Spider lift, scissor lift, fixed scaffolding. Obviously, fixed scaffolding is the most expensive. Substrate. What's your building made of? Well, for a start, I mean, are we looking at roof? Are we looking at walls? I mean, what area of the building? But say, for example, we're looking at roof. Tiles, you've got Kenpeg, you've got concrete, you've got slate. You know, each is different. Each might require a different cleaning method. EPDM, flat roof, obviously need soft wash. Walls, you've got render, you've got cladding warehouses. Even then, you know, different types of cladding, even metal cladding. You've got Kingspan, you've got aluminium. You know, they're all different. They often react in different ways. Is it brick? Is it stone? What type of stone? York stone, sandstone, limestone. Each surface is likely to need a different cleaning method or a different ratio of chemicals, for example, if we're soft washing. So that brings us to number 3, cleaning method. You've got DOF steam cleaning. You've got pressure washing. We call it the no-no blaster, but now and again, pressure washing actually is the answer. We've got soft washing. Word to the wise, 9 times out of 10, I'm probably going to tell you soft washing is the right way. Contaminant is what we're cleaning. Is it organic? If so, what type of organic? Is it black lichen? Is it moss? How long has it been there? How deep is the infestation? How black, perhaps, is that surface? Is it carbon-based pollution? Is it graffiti removal? Is it paint removal? We have provided on the website a PDF with guideline prices for different types of substrate. Obviously, there's other external factors. How close is your building to the road? Do we need road closures? That can be a pricey business. Right now, we're doing a shopping centre that's actually over a river. So a lot of time and expense and effort is being put into making sure that no moss falls into the river, disturbing the ecosystem of the river. Speaking of shopping centres, you know, if we're doing a shopping centre or some sort of a building that's used all day, you know, are we going to need to put on night shift instead of day shift? Obviously, night shift, day shift, different rates. Waste. How much waste is there? Mostly this relates to organic matter, but you know, if you've got really thick moss, you can have literally tons. So how are we going to dispose of the waste? As I say, the website does have guideline price lists to give you a fair idea, a better than fair idea, I hope, of what you're likely to be expecting. So now you have an idea. What you can do then is book to have a surveyor come and have a look. Myself or one of my team will then evaluate every aspect of the job, every elevation of the building to see what access we need, etc. You know, maybe we'll use combination access. Maybe different elevations might need different access equipment. We will then provide you with a fully written quotation, which is usually valid for 30 days.